A child support demand letter formally reminds a parent who is late on child support payments of his or her obligation to pay. It's often used to collect a monthly child support payment that is past due. In this video, we'll discuss essential information regarding child support demand letters, as well as where to get an official template. First, let's start by reviewing when to use a child support demand letter. A parent responsible for making child support payments is usually obligated to do so by a court order or a divorce settlement. If the parent falls behind on payments, he or she is violating his or her obligations. A demand letter can be used in these instances to demand money owed. The letter serves to demand three types of unpaid child support: a past due monthly payment for the full amount, an upcoming payment, or an incomplete payment, which typically requests a specific expense of the child. It's also important to note that the paying parent will have a minimum of 14 days to respond to the demand letter. Now, let's go over the importance of sending a child support demand letter. Notifying the parent responsible for making payment is a crucial step in obtaining unpaid child support. Sending a formal letter informs the paying parent a payment is past due or is upcoming, documents the demand in writing, warns of legal action if the payment is not made, records the demand in case it has to be used as evidence in court, communicate to the paying parent the money is needed for the child's welfare, can detail how to make a payment correctly. In many cases, the demand letter will be enough to resolve the matter. However, if the demand letter is not met, it's best to contact the Department of Health and Human Services branch office in your state. They will either begin legal proceedings or get the owed parent paid. Finally, let's conclude by reviewing what to include in a child support demand letter. The letter should be written in a strong and clear manner in order to motivate the parent to pay their dues or face legal consequences. When drafting the letter, be sure to include both parents' names and contact information, the date when the letter is being sent, the total dollar amount past due or upcoming, the date when the past due payment was due if it's past due, a mention of when the divorce settlement that dictates child support was finalized, a warning of legal action if the support is not made, a reminder of how the payments assist the children, and any additional documents that support the demand. Keep in mind to draft the letter in a civil tone. The best letters emphasize the importance the support payments have on the child's well-being. We're eForms, the largest database of legal documents. Access your free child support demand letter templates at the link below.